I think we're almost there. Can you hold out till we get there?
We got to stop. Air compressor, Josh. We need an air compressor. I got walk that up.
There's that stupid crew again. Yeah, they said they were coming over here.
Down here where all the people's at. Down here at the car hauler.
There's like 1,000 people.
Compressor.
Here we go. All right, Kenny, keep it PG. So here's the car hauler over there. We're at the top because apparently everybody says if it's been raining a lot, which it has, it's rained like 4 inches in the last 48 hours. You can't get up that rock safely down there.
Hey guys, I'm the cameraman, and this is the car hauler trail. See, there's car hauler right up there. And we didn't go up this thing because of this rock right here. It's rained for a couple of days, and if you mess up, you'll go straight off the side of this cliff here. It may not look that bad from here, but it can get really bad on this side of this rock. I mean, like, really bad. But to get down to the upper side of the car hauler ain't too bad. You'll probably see that in the video though. There you go.
So we came in from the top side so we could show y'all the car hauler. This is the car hauler. It is a lot steeper in person than it looks on video. So
No.
we're not yes it is.
No.
We're not no superheroes, so we're not gonna try to video this whole entire trail from the other end just so we can say that we videoed it. And I can't believe you just did that.
Party foul.
That's a major party foul. You owe me something, so go on. Anyway, we got stuff going on off camera over there. Anyway, so here's the car hauler. I'll use Kenny as a kind of a point of reference. Kenny, get over here so you can see how big it is. There you go. You know how big Kenny is. And there you go. There's the car hauler.
It's a lot steeper. It's probably 40 degrees.
I don't know what the degree is.
35, 40. I know when I've looked at it on camera, it looks about 20, 25. So it's a lot steeper. I mean, I wouldn't, it's not it.
You can barely walk down it.
It's the rock down there at the bottom. They say it's a lot washed out more now than it is on camera. And if you miss it, you're off the side. And if Josh will film down in this ravine, you can see just how deep it is down in there.
All right, now we're recording again. There's a nice little waterfall right here.
Look in the camera and walk off.
Yeah, walk off the cliff.
Oh, look at this camera. Then you'll be on the tailgate special.
I'll be on the tailgate
Right
special.
now, I've won the spot.
All right, so yeah, we've had some.
Whoop you.
All right, so we've decided that we're going to start doing what we call tailgate talk after each day's ride. We'll either do it that evening or the morning before our next ride. So like on a 2-day ride, you'll get 2 tailgate talks. If we can get it done before rain comes in, or if we get, whatever, if weather permits and we got time to do them. But during these tailgate talks, like we did this morning, we're going to give out the award for bad move of the day or bonehead move of the day. So yesterday's would have been the guy we call Wes. We'll just call him Wes because he turned the biggest and baddest machine out here over. The widest machine, he's the one that turned over. So far today, Allison was leading the pack when she ran us through a mud hole that was only 6 inches deep, but she managed to find a spot that was about 2 foot deep with a rock in the middle of it. After that, Kenny has got at least one sidewall puncture. Right now it's holding there. Maybe has 2 sidewall punctures and 2 separate tires. We'll find out later on in the ride if he's got 2 holes and 2 separate tires. So stick around for that.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Don't move. Wait for it. Just wait. Wait a minute. Don't move. Seriously, don't move. I'll let you know when you move. Okay, you can move.
No, Mom was peeing. Was there a turtle in the trail?
Billy.
You picked the turtle up off the trail, right? You got the turtle off the trail, right? I don't want to park behind you. Oh, well, no, yeah, I don't know. I hear you. I got the thing put on.
taking it. Let's join the Albuquerque.
Yes, we're on our way. We're on our way.
Did I push the button? I pushed the button. This is Waterfall on Trail 23. This is cool as shit. You can drive under this thing. I'm sorry, it's as cool as whatever. Ice cubes. It's cool as hell. You drive in through that right there, and here's your waterfall. This is cool. I like this. It's cool.
I'm all the way down here, almost to the bottom. I'll probably end up going down to the bottom. There is it's so cool down here. I'm gonna keep going and I'll make another clip. I'm all the way down here at the bottom and this is so cool looking down here. If you can get down here, you should come down here. You can actually get down here. The journey was kind of hard, but it is awesome looking. So cool.
All right, tailgate talk from day 2 ride. What did we ended up riding to not Teacup. We went to the Natural Arch, and then we went to the Carpenter's Rock, and then we went over to the other arch, just the arch. It's just the arch.
That's even better than the
Yeah,
natural arch.
the Natural Arch and the arch is 2 different things. The arch, which is further up
A lot better.
on, I think it's Trail 26, is a lot prettier than the Natural Arch. Not that one's not pretty, but it's a big cave down there, and you'll see footage of all that too. The most memorable moment from yesterday was what, Kenny?
Well, I hit a root sticking out of the bank and busted a brand new M1 Evil. It had 2 rides on it. So Josh, the master tire plugger, threw 2 plugs in it, and it held today and still holding.
I'm surprised the sidewall plug held.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was sidewall.
Yep.
And Mom decided she wanted to.
Oh yeah. Our special guest that doesn't want to be on camera, but for like more than 2 seconds over here, she's waving. Yeah, our special guest, Mommy Allison over there, decided to bury the blue donkey in a mud hole that was apparently only this deep. So I don't know. Anyway, that was kind of.
He goes to walk around and his muck.
Did we get some video of that? Do we have any video or anything of that?
We got video of that.
I don't know.
Got it because we were parked right behind.
Okay.
It was.
I had to.
Josh was standing on the front tire.
Yeah,
and I walked right up to the front in 6 inches of water and took the wet.
It was deep enough to it was deep enough to where the water was coming up to the bottom of the seat. So I climbed out, got on the tire, barely could reach the winch, and next thing I know, Kenny walks up to me and he's only got about that much water over his boots, about this far away from me. So I mean, I probably could have stepped out there and been out of the hole, but anyway, we got out. So I'm not sure who gets the bad move of the day award.
And we
and Chase crashed his drone. So
oh yeah, Chase crashed the drone trying to film some of the arch, just the arch.
crashed the drone.
Yeah. So
we broke a rock slider, but that's not bad.
yeah, busted rock slider, so I have to fix that again. That's the second time y'all have done that.
But that was on the. This is on the new side. This is on a different side.
Yep. Anyway,
Totally different side.
really enjoyed Picket. The second day had a lot more, a lot different trails. We'll show you on the map later on that. But had a lot of trails that didn't have a lot of mud holes on them. It wasn't mud hole after mud hole after mud hole. And after a day of not raining, the mud holes actually got a little better. So all in all, we'll be back for sure. We'll be back for sure. It's about a 5.5, 6 hour drive for us, but we'll definitely be back. So anything else, Tater?
No, just go through the mud holes.
Just
go
forget the
through mud holes.
bypasses. Forget the bypasses. 95% of it's just better to go right through the big mud holes. Just go on through them. Anything else, Kenny?
I think that's it.
All right, well, we're out of here. We'll go trails.